Welcome to this instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the mobile phone 3D video amplifier enlarged screen magnifier. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. Instructions are on the back. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, so here is the magnifier. Okay, so I'm going to set it up. Now all you need to do is to just pull it out. And then raise it like so. And right over here is where you put the phone. So you rest the phone here, and the magnifier is in front. And based on the level of where it's resting, you can raise it by lowering these two pieces right here. You have these two lifters right at the bottom, so you can raise those, and then you can rest it like so if you're looking to get a raised angle depending on where it's resting. Okay, so I'm going to put a phone right here and rest it down and see how it works. With the magnifier, without the magnifier. Okay, so there you go. This was an instruction tutorial and review and unboxing of the mobile phone 3D video amplifier and large screen magnifier. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.